Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you'd like to learn how to make these reusable and reversible easy DIY face masks, then carry on watching. So the first thing you want to do is go on Google and search for face mask patterns so that you can get an outline of the way you want your mask to be. Then when you find the template that you want to click on it and then go to the website. And then here you see that I have found the face mask pattern that I want to use. And now I'm literally just going to enlarging it and using a paper and a pencil. I'm just going to trace the outline of the mask. And this will be your template. Take into consideration that this is for an adult face mask. So if you want to do a child's one, you'll have to reduce the measurements by a couple centimeters or so. Or you can just find a template of a child's face mask and then trace that instead. Then you just want to cut out your template, and don't mind the fact that I have a couple of annotations written down on my template. I have I, which is inner fabric, O, which is outer fabric, and SA, which stands for seam allowance. So it will just be a guideline for when I'm sewing. Now, using a permanent marker, you just want to trace your template outline on the fabric that you want to use. So you want to make sure that your material is folded so that you end up with two identical pieces once you cut out your material. Then you just want to repeat the same steps again. Using a folded piece of fabric, you just want to trace the outline of your template and then cut it out. So this will act as the other side to the face mask because obviously it's reversible. Now I'm just pinning the fabric together. So this is just the patterned one. I just literally just pin them. And you just want to sew along that long curve. You can also hand sew if you prefer, or if you don't have a sewing machine, but using a sewing machine will just make it 10 times quicker. And then you just want to do the same thing with your other fabric. And then when you finish, you should have a pattern like this basically. And then what you want to do is you want to align the both different pattern materials because you need to sew around it now. Bearing in mind that I actually changed the colour of my fabric because I thought that the white was a bit too thin, so I ended up using black. Now using these two elastics, it's measured at 15 centimeters per elastic. You just want to place it within the shortest ends of the material and just using some pins just to hold the elastic in place while you sew. And you basically just want to sew all the way around the mask. What you need to do is you want to leave a little gap between the top of the mask, which I'll show you. as you can see, I've only sewed along these lines here, and I've left a gap in the middle so that I can turn the mask the right way round, because right now it's inside out, so I'm just turning it the right way round. And as you can see, the mask is complete. You just want to do a straight stitch along the bottom, so you just want to close that hole basically, and then you'd want to iron your mask so that it's straight and it's flat and it's not creased, and then this is your mask completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy DIY. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe.